It's no secret that when you're talking about a comfortable ride in your four-wheel drive, coils are king. Your typical family wagon or even dual cab four-wheel drive ute is no longer the cumbersome truck-like compromise it was back in the day. And coil springs are largely responsible for the shift from agricultural, uncomfortable vehicle to the plush, quiet and pleasant environment that the cab of a four-wheel drive is today. In fact, there are few, if any, four-wheel drives on the market today that don't feature a coil spring in its suspension DNA. TJM's range of XGS coil springs are engineered to provide even the most dedicated off-roader, tradie or family man with a coil that is not only a significant improvement on the factory offering, but more importantly, it'll be up to the task for years to come. In-house research and development play a big part in what makes the XGS difference. Every XGS coil spring is designed to suit Australian four-wheel drives and the unique Australian conditions. But of course, that's not all. Every XGS coil spring features durable powder-coated finish, they are load tested, manufactured to the strictest tolerances on a computer-controlled coiling machine, and scragged before and after shot peening. And each coil spring is backed by a nationwide limited lifetime warranty. One of the most common reasons for upgrading your four-wheel drive suspension to a TJM XGS system is usually due to the addition of accessories. These accessories include frontal protection systems, winches, dual batteries, or other gear that can have an effect on how your vehicle handles, stops, and performs both on and off-road. By upgrading to a TJM XGS suspension system, you will regain the lost ground clearance from fitting weighty accessories, road holding and predictability will be restored, and diving under braking will be all but eliminated. Of course, another significant reason for a lot of four-wheel drivers for upgrading is the additional lift or raised ride height that is the result of a stronger coil spring. This is a terrific way to achieve more clearance under the vehicle, which will result in less damage to your four-wheel drive and to the environment. Above all, your four-wheel drive will be far more predictable, both on and off-road, and a far safer place to be for you and your family. An important tip to be sure that you are fitting the correct TJM XGS coil spring to suit your specific application is to ensure that you're dealing with an authorised TJM stockist. Your local TJM store will have trained expert technicians who can help you choose and fit the correct XGS coil that will suit your individual needs. By fitting the correct coils the first time, you will not only save plenty of money, but you will also be able to enjoy your four-wheel drive, secure in the knowledge that you have the best components under your vehicle.